Here's how to install a patented Megaracer carbon fiber wiper blade on a J-hook type arm. After you remove your old wiper blades, make sure the wiper arm is in the up position. The J-hook adapter has a locking tab for a secure fit. To open it, use your thumb to flip up the tab. It may require a little force to open. You can also use a flathead screwdriver to easily flip open. Next, insert the hook part of the wiper arm into the opening of the adapter and slide the blade up until it snugs. Close the tab by pushing it down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to make sure it is properly fastened. Now, remove the white plastic squeegee cover from the new wiper blade. Gently lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Check out these patented carbon fiber wiper blades in action. The nano-graphite coating ensures smooth whisper-quiet operation and water beading. This ride is now elevated with Megaracer carbon fiber wiper blades.